got a negative attitude. That's what's stopping you. You gotta get your act together. I'll help you. You know how bad you smell. You reek of shit. Do you know that?
I like to skateboard and I like to fight. That is why they call me Mike. I don't mess around and I ain't no clown. I'ma take your bitch and lay her down on the sofa, then on the couch. My wiener's so big I'ma make her say ouch. And that's the truth, it ain't no lie. I'm gonna nut right in her eye. Sorry ladies, that's how I roll. But I don't need Viagra like Bob Dole. Yeah, I'm polite, always say thanks and please. Yo, Steve Urkel used to ask for cheese, cause he was weird and not that cool. I like to take pisses and Stuggoose pool, but I'm cooler than the Pope and I don't smoke dope. When I take showers, usually eat the soap. Is that normal? I don't know, but I'm passing the mic to my boy Fo. Fo, here we go. Fo, here we go. Yo, Felice on the mic and he does it right. Felice on the mic, bring it down tonight. Peace. Peace.
You know how bad you smell. Shit. Do you know that?
My name's Full Life, chose my homie Mike. This bitch come me up with her pubic hair spikes. I've been around the block, you know it's true. I even fucked a bitch that was 42. Shaggy old ass, it made me laugh. Mike was in the bathroom trying to steal her cash. If you know me, I teabag hoes, and this is why I got to go. I don't have a magic stick, I got a magic wand. It's an Italian sausage like my brother Dom's. And I love fat sluts. Fuck them in their butts. Do it all night.
Yeah,
really
motherfucker.
fucking tight.
Yo. He's coming. Watch out!
Bandanas, vodka, Tropicana. My name's Tommy, I can't think dick. I'll stop you in your tit and steal your nest quick. I'm a cool with the broom and I'll clean your house. I slap foe in the face and call Mike Minnie Mouse. I love white bread and dreams with my dog Fred. His skis were broken, use his sled. I tore the land with these kids in my bed. They come home and watch wrestling and throw garbage bags. Like I'm from West cause my dad likes to bake. Yo, what the fuck happened to Jake the Snake? I drunk 40s when I watch Maury. Yo, phone Mike down, it's a never ending story. Motherfucker. Yo, Mike, what up, Mike? Yo, bro! Yo, what up, Dom? Yo, we all pros at fucking hoes! 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 Yo, Kansas City in this motherfucker, Belleville. Yo, niggas. Yo, Billie Jean. There's no champagne. There's no champagne in this house. There's no food.
One and two and three. Let me tell you why all the ladies wanna fucking be with me. Word about me spreads like an epidemic. I'm a player's player, just like Corey's brother Eric, except I'm nowhere near as stupid as he. I got to 4.0 and I aced my SAT. I'm great sky, just like the brave little toaster. I don't wear a seatbelt when I'm riding on a roller coaster. I know just what the ladies want: a ham and cheese sandwich and an evening game of manhunt. Bitch catches my eye, I'll buy her a beer. Then I'll take her to a movie and I blow in her ear. I eat caviar and I smoke a corn cob pipe. And when I take shits, I usually wipe. I usually wipe.
Now I fire rhymes like a shotgun. Most didn't know that I got one. Well, if you didn't, now you're smarter. Never ate tomato or tried tartar sauce on spaghetti my mom makes for dinner. The gym teacher told all the kids are winners. That's just cause I was knocking out left and right, looking at the cake while paying out of sight. Dodgeball was my jam as well. Got mad, stories to tell like Bruce and Unbreakable. Never got the flu, allergies bad from head to shoe. Fix that shit, take your Lycra, then I'll steal your integrity. Put the golf ball on it, hitting the whole switch on Sega Play Sonic. Yo, Dr. Robotnik, Knuckles and Tails coming at ya. Peace.
Bullshit, I can't hear you. Sound off like you got a pair.